Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check and top up your brake fluid of your Audi A4 S401. First step, open the car hood and at the wipers you can see this little cap. This cap you can open and you can have a look to the reservoir of the brake fluid reservoir. And there is a minimum and a maximum area. And this level should be between these two areas, but it should be not under minimum. Okay, this is the most important thing, because if you have new brakes, of course you will top up this to maximum range, and if you are performing a lot above, it will be go a little bit down, but it should be not under minimum. If it is under minimum, you can top up your brake fluid by using DOT4 brake fluid, of course. For this, you can make a check first, of course, because sometimes if your fluid is old, it can be with water contaminated, and on such a tester can see how much water is in. But in this case here it was green, so we do not have to replace it. We only have to top up a little bit. So dip a little bit DOT4 brake fluid into it. If you are go a little bit on areas with lack or with paint, you have to remove it immediately, because this is not good for this paint. And then you top up your stuff. If it is often under minimum, you should have a look that there is something damaged in your brakes, maybe. So that job done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!